last lecture we have discussed about the distance formula. So what is distance formula? Suppose A and B are 2 points having coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then distance between these 2 points can be calculated by using distance formula. So what is distance formula? Distance AB can be calculated by using this formula: x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. This formula also can be written as x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. Also, by using this formula, we have solved one example. Okay. Now, today we are going to see the next example based on this formula. We have to apply this formula to show the 3 points are collinear. Okay. So, when 3 points are collinear, when we can call, suppose we are having A, B and C. These 3 points are different 3 points. Okay. And if you want to show that these 3 points are collinear, then we have to show here longest distance. Whatever the longest distance, suppose AB is longest distance or AC is longest distance. So we have to show here distance of AC. Distance AC is equals to the distance AB plus distance BC. Okay. If these 3 points, hold this property, means if distance AC is equals to the distance AB and BC, then we can say that point A, point B and point C are the points are collinear points. These 3 points are said to be collinear. Okay. Now, by using this property, we are having 3 points. Point A is minus 3, 2. Point A is minus 3, 2. We are having point A is minus 3, 2. Then point B as 1, minus 2. And then point C as 9, minus 10. Now, first of all, we have to find the distance between all these 3 points. Okay. So distance, we have to find the 3 distances here: distance AB, distance BC and distance AC. Now, coordinates of A. Coordinates of A and coordinates of B. Now, in the answer we will write, we will find the distance AB, distance BC and distance AC. Okay, first we need to find these 3 distances. Okay, to check whether the given points are collinear or not. Okay, now first, coordinates of A. Coordinates of A are minus 3 and 2. I am representing this as x1 and representing this as y1. Again, coordinates of point B. Coordinates of B. Coordinates of B are 1, minus 2. So I am representing this as, or referring this as x2 and I am referring this as y2. Now, distance formula. By using distance formula, distance AB can be calculated with the help of this formula. This formula carries half mark. Okay, this formula alone can give you half mark. Okay, so x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now, just put the values of x1 and y1, x2 and y2, okay, which we have shown here. Value of x2 is 1 minus value of x1 is minus 3. So 1 minus 3 bracket square plus value of y2 minus 2 minus value of y1 is 2 bracket square. 1 minus minus become plus 1 plus 3 bracket square plus 2 minus 2 minus 4 bracket square. 4 square plus minus 4 square. Now, distance AB. Distance AB is equals to under root 16 plus 16, because 4 square is 16, again minus 4 square is 16. So distance AB is equals to under root 32, which can be written as 2 into 16. So I can write distance AB as, I can take square root of 16 as 4. So I can take it outside the third sign. So 4 under root 2. It is the distance AB. I can name this as equation number 1. Okay. Now again, similarly, I can find the distance AC. Similarly, I can find the distance AC. Now, first we need to find the distance BC and then AC. Here we have to use distance formula for the 3 times. Okay, so distance representative point A. Okay, we can find the distance by any order. Okay, and after finding the distances, all the 3 distances, we can decide. So I will find the distance BC. Distance BC, point B representative. For this point I am considering the point B 1 minus 2. I am representing as x2 and this as y2, and point C, coordinates of point C are 9 minus 10. I am representing this as x3 and here as y3. Now, so distance BC is equals to x3 minus x2 bracket square plus y3 minus y2 bracket square. So value of x3 is 9. 9 minus value of x2 is 1. 9 minus 1 bracket square plus value of y3 is minus 10 minus value of y2 is minus 2 bracket square. Again 9 minus 1 8 bracket square plus minus 10 minus minus become plus bracket square. So 8 square minus 10 plus 2 minus 10 plus 2 minus 10 plus 2 minus 8 bracket square. Again 8 square is 64 plus 64. Here I can write 64 as 2 into 64 plus 64 as 2 into 64. Again I can take the square root of 64, which I can take outside from the third sign. So 8 into root 2. So distance BC is 8 into root 2. Now I am naming this as equation number 2. Again, okay, just 1 minute.